Alright, y'all, 804-345-165, Cypher. Zulu.
Hold up, y'all know who run it, God. Y'all see stuff running star. These devils don't want it. Shit when they're asking for best gangster performance. Ain't with that dumb shit, show the older kick, rock, bow, man down. Now, you done got your shit, rock. Only roll with big shots. Love us in the gift shop. Dropping bands on countertops. We go let a pit stop. Gotta keep your lips locked. Name out your mouth, nigga. 7 generations, bad curses throwing wild, nigga. Too, all you fake clown, fake down, nigga. Sooner or later, king karma, man, I'll get you. I done mean the cooler, I didn't to be now. Come live with you, lana. Yallahu, yallahu. Why we got be hating through you? Through my keratin, woman, Fudima, got yallahu. Wake up next lifetime, I got you like Wadu. Wake up next lifetime, I got you like Wadu. Yeah, I do. Picture me lyrically spitting on the trampoline. Actually, a trampoline. 10,000 battle league niggas after me. Coming to battle me in Japanese. And bash me, attacking me. Praying I'm a casualty. Tragedy, agony. Wake up, that's fantasy. I'm lively, dancing. Ha, ha. At the thoughts of you dragging me, nah, huh? Nah, I'm snapping these magically, abracadabra, the balls are sweet. Give speakers cavities, don't start with me. I'll rip you rascally, rapidly, ass packing and jabbing the jab. Put you on your back and your ass anyway, you happy to be ad. Listen here, facts to fad, yo man, raps is ass. Simply stacks and mass equal stacks and cash. Pick it up faster than fast, rapidly, capacity, the dash to the rap to be faster, the higher tap to the beat. Excuse me, I happen to breathe. The oxygen naturally, 50,000 angels in back of me who brought the staff and faculty on prodigies who havically mob deep fanatically. Anyone after me, faggoty, attacking me, badger me, tragically, sadly. Be remembered as shaggedy, raggedy. Stop tagging me. I'm not your baby daddy relief.
Zulu and the family. Keep your radio locked, baby.
The Cypher, with 2 or more MCs occupy a diameter, delivering flows, punchlines, and metaphors. We now have the Cypher.